hot air welding machine. We can also call it PVC welding machine. This machine is used to weld PVC, PE, and other plastic materials that can be hot melted. This machine of our company has 4 obvious advantages. The first point, the theory is based on digital control constant temperature. It's equipped with temperature feedback sensor. Temperature scope is 20 degrees to 500 degrees. It uses advanced PID control technology. The fluctuation is within 5 degrees. It makes welding more uniform. The second point, it's equipped with high-performance switching power. Its electromagnetic, its compatibility, and more reliable quality. The third point, it's equipped with AC motor that makes the wind stronger and live longer. The last point, we have all the key technology, so the quality of the machine is in control. Now, let me introduce the machine to you. The red button is the power button, and there are 2 screens. The below screen shows the temperature that you set, and there are 2 small black buttons. They are used to turn up or turn down the temperature that you set. The above screen shows the practical temperature of the heat gun. The yellow switch is the temperature button, and the middle black switch is to control the wind speed. If the cloth is thinner, you should turn up the speed of the wind, and this black one is to control the speed. This is feedback sensor. It can always testing the temperature of the heat gun and then control the practical temperature constantly by adjusting the power. There is also a handle. When the practical temperature is approaching the temperature that you set, turn the handle to the left. It will work automatically. Turn the right and it will stop. Now we can see the practical temperature is approaching the set temperature. That means we can weld now, but before we weld, we should make sure we should fix the cloth on the ground. We fix the picture with tape or glue. Now we can weld. Make the edge of the right wheel on this line. Generally, the machine is straight going. When not on the line, you should adjust it with this handle. And you should take care of the heat gun. It's very hot. Now, turn the handle to the right, it will stop. And turn off the yellow switch. There's one point that you should take care that the practical temperature is below 5 degrees, or the heat gun is not because we should turn off the power. Now let's see the cover. Let me pull the cover. We can see I can't pull them up. It's really very strong.